See here. Now we discussing the topic is potential difference. See, there is a before topic. What is there? Electric potential. Electric potential means it is defined as the amount of work done. The amount of work done in bringing a unit positive charge. Bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to against of a electric field. That is called as the electric potential. That formula what is there? V is equal W by Q naught. Now here we discussing about the potential difference. See, let us now we are consider this an electric field. What is considered this an electric field? Electric field. In electric field, we are considering a 2 points. How many points are considered by here? 2 points. This is the point A and this is considered the point B. Point A and point. Now the point A for the potential, that is the VA, and point B for the potential, what is considered VB. Now this here the charge. So what is the charge we consider by the unit positive charge is moving B to A. Now what is the positive charge Q is moving B to A. Some here the work is done. The work is done when moving of the A to B. Now then the difference of these two potentials, the difference of the two potential at A point and B point is called as the potential difference. Is called as the potential difference. Now can write a statement: a work done in moving a unit positive charge from 1 point to another point 1 point to another point against electric field is called potential difference. Is called potential difference between 2 points. Potential difference between 2 points. See here the work done by the moving of positive charge from B2 and 1 point to another point. 1 point to another point against of electric, because of the electric field is acting, this is the direction, but the charge is moving in a opposite to, that is called as the against of a electric field, is called as the potential difference between the 2 points. Now therefore potential at A point, is VA, and potential at B point is VB, Therefore when charge is moving B2 is moving, the charge is moving from B to A, potential difference is that is the VAB is equal to VB minus VA. See, that is sorry, we can write the VBA. VBA is nothing but we can write here the VA minus VB. Now if the charge is moving A to B, the charge is moving from charge is moving from B to A, sorry, A to B, A to B. Then we can write the VAB is equal to VB minus VA. So this is the formulas of a potential difference.